Welcome to Chalinze Modern Islamic Pre- and Primary School, where we cultivate the scientific curiosity and ethical values of our students. Today, we introduce you to Hamisa Amiri Matajiri, an extraordinary student with a passion for science and a dedication to humane learning.
My name is Hamisa Amiri Matajiri. I am from Chalinze Modern Islamic. I'm here with my fellow doctors. We are going to do dissection for a rabbit so as to prove that the digestive system of a rabbit resembles to the digestive system of we human beings.
Hamisa will demonstrate a compassionate method of dissection, studying the anatomy of a rabbit without causing harm. Her approach showcases her respect for life and her commitment to ethical science. Hamisa prioritizes the rabbit's well-being, starting with a gentle examination to understand its health and anatomy before proceeding.
This is the syringe which I'm going to inject this rabbit so as it's going to be half dead or asleep. This syringe will have to inject it to the muscles. As you can see, we have injected it slowly until it's over. Now we have to give this rabbit 5 minutes so as the medicine to circulate in the blood until it reaches the brain so as it can sleep.
Using non-invasive techniques, Hamisa carefully explores the rabbit's anatomy, ensuring that the animal remains unharmed during the dissection.
Slowly and carefully. As you see, this is the first part. This is the large intestine, colon. This in large intestine is where undigested food stays and absorbs the water and mineral. As you can see, this is the ileum or small intestine, whereby food is absorbed. Food nutrients mean proteins, vitamins, fats. Also, if you observe carefully, in this side here, there is a stomach. This one, the stomach where the food is stored. And in this side, there is a right kidney where blood is filtered. In this side here down, if you are going to observe carefully, you are going to meet the urinary bladder. And in this side, as you observe, we're going to meet liver and the left kidney where blood is filtered. Also, this is the stomach. As we have managed to see it, is where food is temporarily stored within 4 to 6 hours. As you have seen, some parts, there are other parts that we cannot see them, as hard they are up that we cannot reach. If we are going to reach there, we are going to kill the rabbit, and our aim is not to kill it, it's just to learn. And as you can see, the small intestine is long so as to allow to increase the surface area for absorption of nutrients. Now we have put and entered every organ to its place. Now we have to stitch this rabbit so as it comes back to its daily life.
Hamisa's passion for science is supported by her teachers and peers, inspiring her to contribute to the medical field with empathy and excellence.
Now we are applying the iodine tincture so as we can kill the germs. I'm going to inject this diclofenac medicine slowly to the rabbit.
At Chalinze Modern Islamic Pre and Primary School, we nurture such aspirations, preparing our students for a bright future.
As you can see, our rabbit has get well. This is the rabbit we have dissected. As you see, its wound. But after those hours, now it's getting well and the medicine has already over. And now it is becoming active.
Join us as we follow Hamisa Amiri Matajiri on her journey of ethical exploration. Chalinze Modern Islamic Pre and Primary School, fostering the scientists and leaders of tomorrow.